sin x. Let f of x is equals to sin x. So we know that f dash of x is limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So f of x we know that sin x, then f of x plus h is sin x plus h. In place of x we have substituted x plus h, so sin of x plus h. Now f dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h is sin x plus h minus f of x is sin x divided by h. So here we know that formula sin c minus sin d, that is nothing but 2 cos of c plus d by 2 sin of c minus d by 2. So here limit h tends to 0. Here sin of x plus h minus sin x is in the form of sin c minus sin d. So formula is 2 cos of, in place of c x plus h is there, so x plus h. In place of d, that is x is there, x by 2. And here sin c minus d, sin c is x plus h minus d value is minus x by 2 divided by h. So here limit h tends to 0, 2 into cos of x plus x is 2x plus h by 2, and here plus x minus x cancel, we will get sin h by 2 divided by h. So here limit h tends to 0, cos of 2x plus 2 by h by 2. We have split here 2x by 2 plus h by 2. If you add again, the common is 2 and 2x plus h. Sin h by 2. Here I am taking the denominator h and the 2, it reciprocals to h by x tends to 0 f of x into g of x formula. Limit x tends to 0 f of x into limit x tends to 0 g of x. So same formula here applying here. So limit h tends to 0 cos of x plus h by 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 by h by 2. Here h tends to 0 means if you divide with the 2 on both the tens, you will get h by 2 tends to 0 by 2, that is h by 2 tends to 0. Here I am applying limit here. Limit is applied here, cos of x. In place of h we have to substitute 0. So h tends to 0 means h is equals to 0, and here limit h tends to 0 means h by 2 tends to 0 sin h by 2 by h by 2. Okay, so here cosx plus 0, 0 by anything is 0, and here since we know that limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is 1. So here limit h by 2 tends to 0 is sin h by 2 is h by 2 is similarly we can say that it is 1. So cos x plus 0 into 1 is cos x. So therefore d by dx of sin x is equals to cos x. Let f of x is equals to cos x. So f dash of x formula is limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So here in place of x, we are substituting x plus h, that means cos of x plus h. So f dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h value is cos of x plus h minus f of x is cos x divided by h. So we know that cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. So here limit h tends to 0, cos of x plus h formula is minus 2 sin of c value is x plus h plus d value is x divided by 2 sin of c minus d. C value is x plus h minus d value is minus x by 2 divided by h. So here we will get limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sin of x plus x is 2x plus h by 2, and here sin of x plus x minus x cancel, h by 2 divided by h. So here we know that limit x tends to 0, f of x into g of x is, we can write as limit x tends to 0, f of x into limit x tends to 0, g of x. So same method I am taking here, limit h tends to 0, sin of 2x plus h is there, so by 2, so 2x by 2 plus h by 2 I have taken here, there minus is there, then limit h tends to 0, sin h by 2 divided by h is there, so minus 2 we can take reciprocal in denominator, that is h by 2. So here 2 is cancelled, and h tends to 0, we can write as h by 2 tends to 0 by 2, that implies h by 2 tends to 0, 0 by everything is 0. Now, so here limit h tends to 0 minus sin x plus h by 2, and here limit h by 2 tends to 0, sin of h by 2 by h by 2. Since we know that limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is 1. So same, in place of x we are having h by 2, so we will get only the value of 1. Apply limit in this equation, in this value, minus sin x plus h is 0 by 2, and here total it becomes 1. So here minus sin x plus 0 by everything is 0, so here we get minus sin x. Therefore d by dx of cos x is equals to minus sin x. So here d by dx of tan x, we can write as d by dx of sin x by cos x. So now it is in the u by v formula. So u by v whole dash is equals to v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. Here u is equals to sin x. So here u dash is nothing but d by dx of sin x. d by dx of sin x is cos x. So u dash of is nothing but cos x. Next v is equals to cos x. So v dash is nothing but d by dx of cos x. So d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. So v dash is equals to minus sin x. So here dy dx of, in place of v square we are having cos x. So cos square x. And here v is there, v means cos x. And u dash we got it cos x. And here minus u is sin x. And v dash is minus sin x. So here cos x into cos x, cos square x, minus into minus plus sin square x by cos square x. From trigonometric identities we know that cos square x plus sin square x is equals to 1. That means 1 by cos square x, that we can write as 1 by cos x whole square. But since we know that secant x is equals to 1 by cos x, so here we can write as secant x having whole square. So therefore dy by dx of tan x is equals to secant square x. Then find dy by dx of cotx. So here cotx you can write as cos x by sin x. So differentiating is happening here. So dy by dx of cos x by sin x. So here we know that u by v whole dash is nothing but v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. So here numerator is u is equals to cos x, then u dash is equals to dy by dx of cos x. dy by dx of cos x is minus sin x. So u dash is equals to minus sin x. And denominator is v. We are having sin x in denominator. So differentiating with respect to x, v dash is equals to d by dx of sin x. So d by dx of sin x is cos x. So v dash is equals to cos x. So substitute these values in this formula, or we get v square. V means sin x, square is there, sin square x. V means sin x. And u dash is nothing but minus sin x minus, here u is there, u means cos x. And v dash is there, v dash we got it cos x. So here plus into minus minus, sin x into sin x is sin square x, minus cos x into cos x is cos square x, divided by sin square x. So here if you take minus as common, we got sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x. So here by trigonometric identities we know that sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So that means minus 1 by sin square x, that we can write as minus 1 by sin x whole square. But 1 by sin x is cosecant x. So square is there. Therefore d by dx of cotx is equals to minus cosecant square x. d by dx of secant x is equals to d by dx of 1 by cos x. So here we can write as d by dx of cos x whole to the power of minus 1. So we know that f of g of x of whole dash is equals to f dash of g of x into g dash of x. So f of g of x is nothing but f circle g of x. So similarly, you have to do first exponential is there. So d by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Here n is minus 1, so minus 1. X is cos x whole to the power of n. N is minus 1 minus 1 into again d by dx of cos x. So here minus 1 into d by cos x whole to the power of minus 1 is minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. So here minus into minus plus, and here cos x is 1 by cos square x minus 2 cos x whole to the power of minus 2 means we know that a power minus m is 1 by a power m. So here sin x. So splitting here minus 1 by sin square x you can write as sin x into cos x by sin x. So sin x into sin x is sin square x. So you got it. Minus 1 by sin x is cosecant x and cos x by sin x is cotx. So therefore d by dx of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cotx.